going to Animal Kingdom.
That one, I believe, he's just putting it in to force their hand. And he's just
There's always one.
Pretty long line.
The line goes this way.
Oh, we made it. It's my home park. I worked here in 2010 as the Kilimanjaro Safaries tour guide, and it was the best job ever. So I'm so excited to be back to get to see it again. There's been so many changes since I worked there, so it'll be really exciting to see what's new and what's coming soon to Animal Kingdom.
We are very excited to be here today. Happy birthday, Animal Kingdom!
Safari!
Hey, look at Mama!
It's your first safari ride! Yay! Yay!
Please do not try to sleep here.
Attention Expedition Everest team members. Once on board, secure all gear.
Heading to Dinosaur to use our second fast pass for the day.
Place all your items in out in front of you. Fasten the seatbelt and the exit. Bags and cars be inside the toilet. That's logical.
Lucas skipped out on Dinosaur, which was probably a good thing. It's kind of a scary ride. Although he's tall enough to ride it, it's better that he didn't ride that one. He would probably be having nightmares after that. But we're gonna go join the rest of the group. They headed right over to Festival of the Lion King, so we're gonna go meet them over there and watch the show. And we're actually passing by the passage into Pandora, which is gonna be opening in just a couple weeks, which will be right over there. It's not open yet. You can kind of see the floating mountains in the back. Why?
Tim Muffins here. The show can begin. Hey, what are you doing? Slow down, slow down. I'm supposed to be center stage. Who's driving this thing?
All right, giraffes, you're first. On the count of 3, let's hear some noises. 1, 2, 3.
Well, this stinks. Sorry. No, not you, Pumba. These monkeys, they're ruining my big number. But they're so cute. Cute? Look at them. They're picking bugs off each other.
That was the show. That's it. It's time to go.
Good. Mr. Man, come here. Say hi, good morning. Oh, how cute is that? Okay, now you're gonna scream.
Finding Nemo. Ellie, you ready to see Dory?
I see you. Hey, you.
Together, we swim together. together. Cooperation is the secret to our success.
Just keep swimming, like fishing always wins.
Just keep swimming.
Just keep swimming, what do? We swim.
Just keep swimming.
Jellyman Osprey. Hi, Osprey. Jellyman.
Jelly's cool.
Things we never seen before. What's waiting out there? We can never know. In the big blue world, we're ready to go.
Now go over there.
What's in there?
Let's go see.
Water is in there?
Let's go see. Come on. Come on. It's okay. Run. See, you're okay. Oh, that's what's over here. Go down here.
Look, you got a bunch of them. Let's unstack them. You don't need that many, Bee.
Can you roar back? Say roar! Don't put your mouth on it though. It's gross.
It's been a wild day at the Animal Kingdom today. We had a lot of fun celebrating Animal Kingdom's birthday and Earth Day, but it's been a long day. It's time to go home, get some rest before we hit up Epcot tomorrow. See you tomorrow. Good night.
Good night.